Short interest moves among solar and alternative energy stocks were mixed during the two-week reporting period that ended on May 15. Of the companies we watch, short interest fell on 2 of 3 solar stocks and rose on 3 of 4 alternative energy stocks. First Solar Inc. NASDAQ, FSLR, saw short interest decrease by 8.1% to 4.05 million shares, which represents about 5.6% of the company's float. Days to cover remained at 2. In the two-week short interest period, the stock's share price jumped by 9.9%. Its 52-week trading range is $35.33 to $81.72, and it closed at $68.37 on Thursday, down less than 0.1% for the day. SunPower Corp. NASDAQ, SPWR, short interest increased by 7.1% to 15.86 million shares, or 26.1% of the company's float. In the short interest period, the share price rose by 8.3%. Stock's 52-week range is $6.46 to $11.70, and it closed at $8.87 on Thursday, up about 0.5% for the day. Days to cover rose from 5 to 7. Canadian Solar Inc. NASDAQ, CSIEQ, saw a decrease of 3.1% in short interest during the first 2 weeks of May. Some 3.2% of the total float, or 1.45 million shares, were short, and days to cover remained unchanged at 3. The company's share price rose by about 2.3% over the two-week period, and shares closed Thursday at $16.72, down about 1.2% for the day, in a 52-week range of $12.24 to $19.09. Fuel Cell Energy Inc. NASDAQ, FCEL, posted an increase of 17.8% in short interest during the period. Some 6.9 million shares were short as of May 15. The stock closed at $1.88 on Thursday, down about 1.1% for the day, in a 52-week range of 93 cents to $2.49. Shares traded up about 1.4% in the short interest period, and days to cover rose from 8 to 14. Plug Power Inc. NASDAQ, Plug, saw short interest rise by 6.2% to 36.55 million shares. Days to cover fell from 10 to 7, and about 16.2% of the company's shares were short. In the 2 weeks to May 15, the share price soared about 16.6%. The stock's 52-week range is $1.53 to $3.21, and shares closed Thursday at $2.15, up about 0.5% for the day. Clean Energy Fuels Corp. NASDAQ, CLNE, saw a drop of about 7.6% in short interest to 3.88 million shares. About 4.4% of the company's float was short, and days to cover fell from 9 to 2. The share price skyrocketed 27.5% in the two-week period. The stock closed at $2.74 on Thursday, up about 4.6% for the day, in a 52-week range of $1.31 to $3.05. Pacific Ethanol Inc. NASDAQ, PEIX, saw short interest rise by 3% in the two-week period to 2.34 million shares, about 5.5% of the company's float. Days to cover rose from 5 to 6. The stock price was unchanged in the 2 weeks to May 15. Shares closed at $3.50 on Thursday, unchanged on the day, in a 52-week range of $2.75 to $7.50. Also read, the 6 most shorted NASDAQ stocks by Polisic.